What's going on, guys? It's Suk and I am back with a brand new video on SuperDuprTech, and in today's video I'll be comparing the footage that I got between the GoPro Hero 8 and the DJI Osmo Action. Of course, as with everything, be sure to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to be notified of when I upload the video reviews for both of these products. But without any further ado, let's hit the titles. So the first thing I did once receiving the cameras was to attach them to a bike and get some footage. What follows is the raw, unaltered footage varying from still images, time-lapse videos, along with video shot at 4K at 30 and 60 frames per second, all with the smoothest settings enabled, being hyper smooth for the GoPro Hero 8 and rocksteady for the Osmo Action. The audio will also be untouched, therefore you will be able to see the key differences between the cameras. The camera settings will also be shown on screen. So this is an audio test. Now from the back of these cameras you should be able to tell what my audio is like. Now this is particularly good if you are, let's say, going to be mounting this to your helmet or to your chest. At least then you can get a feel for what the audio quality is like, especially given that the camera is in front of you. Now if I spin this around, you'll also get a good idea as to what the audio is like from the front of the camera. So from the left I've got the GoPro Hero 8, in the middle I've got the Osmo Action, and all the way here on the right I've got the GoPro Hero 8. Both the GoPros of course are the black editions of their respective models. So yeah, tell me, what do you guys think of the audio quality of these cameras? There we are. Right, so now I'm holding both the DJI Osmo Action and the GoPro Hero 8 handheld, low light, HDR enabled on the Osmo Action and low light enabled on the Hero 8 Black. Yep, that's the one that's by my hand. Can't really tell, it's a bit dark. But yeah, once again, you guys should get a good idea as to what the audio levels are like. Low light performance, stabilization. Like I say, I'm literally holding both of these cameras at arm's length. So yeah, hopefully you can hear me, but tell me what the audio sounds like, especially given that there's wind, there's background noise with the cars. What do you guys think? Which one would you prefer? So yep, 4K 60 on the Osmo Action and on the GoPro Hero 8 Black. Low light still enabled on the Hero Black, but now we'll switch over to HDR on the Osmo Action. So yeah, as you can see, with HDR turned on, the Osmo Action looks miles better. Yeah, so you tell me what the audio sounds like with me behind the screen, along with the stabilization. Of course I am walking around, so yeah, what are your thoughts on these cameras now? Crazy, absolutely crazy. So like I say, handheld, both of these cameras are handheld. Yep, both handheld. Let's give it a little run. So take a listen to that wind. What are your thoughts on that now? Very windy, very windy. Which one sounds the best? Who knows? Who knows? Oh. So as you can see, there are some differences between the cameras, each having their own strengths, and to be honest, this did surprise me, as looking back at the footage on their built-in screens, it would have suggested that the DJI Osmo Action performed the strongest, but actually after viewing the footage firsthand before YouTube compresses it, I can comfortably say that the GoPro was strong across the range of categories. From the audio and stabilization to the overall colors reproduced, though I do prefer the greyish style produced from the Osmo Action, as it allows me to correct this in post without bringing too much noise and other artifacts into the footage. But with action cameras, footage isn't the only thing you have to worry about, as there are other things such as ease of use, accessories, battery life, upgradability, and so much more. So though I would give the advantage in terms of footage to the GoPro, there is so much more to an action camera, and I will touch up on this on my full review of both of these products, which will be coming soon. So be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of when those videos go live. So that will be it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, then be sure to hit it with a thumbs up, and if you are new around here, then be sure to subscribe, as like I say, I've got a lot of videos in the pipeline. If you have got any questions with what you've seen in today's video, then be sure to leave them down below in the comment section, and I will also leave links to where you can purchase these products along with products that I use on a daily basis down below in the description section, so be sure to check that out. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Have a good one.